In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal opt-in form in Getresponse. A horizontal opt-in form is a great way to save space on your page while still making your sign-up form stand out. Instead of stacking your fields on top of each other, you'll have them aligned side by side, usually with the button on the same row. This kind of layout often blends better with headers, hero sections, or content areas where vertical space is limited. In this tutorial, we're going to use one of Getresponse's pre-designed templates, which makes the whole process much faster and easier. Rather than building the structure from scratch, we'll start with a layout that's already horizontal and then just customize the look and feel to match your brand. First, log into your Getresponse account and head to the main menu. From there, go to the Tools section. Inside Tools, look for Forms and Pop-ups. This is where Getresponse keeps all the options for building and managing your sign-up forms. Once you're in Forms and Pop-ups, click on Create. This will open up the form creation interface and show you the different types of forms you can build. Now, because we want a form that goes directly onto a page, choose the option called Embedded in a Page. This tells Getresponse that you want a form you can place inside a landing page, blog post, or website, rather than a pop-up or a floating bar. Selecting this option will load a gallery of form templates designed for embedding. Take a moment to browse through the available templates. What you're specifically looking for are designs where the input fields, like name and email, are arranged side by side, and the Submit button sits on the same horizontal line. These are the templates that naturally lend themselves to a horizontal opt-in style. You can usually spot them quickly because they look more like a single compact bar rather than a tall box. When you find a template that matches the horizontal layout you want, click on it to preview the design. If it looks good and has the fields aligned the way you like, go ahead and click Use Template. Once you select it, Getresponse will open that template in the editor. At this point, the hardest part is already done for you. The form will have the correct horizontal structure, so you only need to adjust the colors, fonts, text, and maybe the spacing to fit your brand and your page design. This approach saves you time and keeps everything looking clean and consistent.